it is now already 8:30, and the guy is actually already, yeah, he already picked up his kick scooter, and he came with his friend. I forgot the name. Yeah, but that guy I also always see them around. Yo, good day guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty and we are going home now. The noise is coming from my key. It is noisy. Yeah, already 2:15 when I sign out. It's not very busy, but there are so many things I need to do. This is how it is today. It is cloudy but also sunny. Yeah, the heat of the sun is hot, but there are some kind of wind breeze. This camera is running out of battery, so we are going home now. Yo, yeah, it is already 3:21. Yeah. Yeah. I'm preparing my meal. It's going to be just the roasted chicken that I'm making it very much toasted. I put some garlic and some shrimp paste, and I have the rice cooking. Yeah. My bike is outside and I already lock it there. Yeah, so that this guy will not be able to just take it or borrow it. Yeah, he will not be able to borrow it from me anymore. I will not let him borrow it anymore. Yeah, because it is causing so much inconvenience for me. Yeah, while I was traveling with John and Charlene, I was thinking about the bike. I was thinking about the situation. I didn't really enjoy fully our travel with John and Charlene. Yeah, because I was worrying, thinking of different possibilities of what will going to happen if I don't have this bike, you know. Yeah, and you know, this guy, he is not matured enough. I lost the side mirror of that bike. Also, I lost the lights of this. I mean, he lost it. Yeah, he lost the side mirror. He lost the lights. He lost the helmet. I think it's I don't know, it's with him or he forgot somewhere. He left somewhere. Yeah, those are three of the things. Also, those things that are in the basket, it's gone already. And yeah, I'm still trying to be nice to him, because when he speak to me, he is nice, polite. But still, I feel that it's still not so matured enough. Okay, we're going to eat. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. My duty today was 6 until 2 o'clock, but I signed out already 2:28, 2 minutes for 2:30. Yeah, and nice weather today. Actually, this morning, I mean during my break time, it was raining. Yeah, now it's just good. Yeah, I am now recovering a little bit. And that guy lost this yeah, the side mirror of this, also the light, also the tie that is you know, there are so many things that is lost in here, and it becomes very inconvenient for me. Yeah, just like this morning when I get out of the house, I need to hold the flashlight. Usually I have my lights in here, but now it's gone. And you know what I am worrying now is that maybe this guy will keep on coming back to my house, you know. Okay, we're going home now. I'll be coming back. We go climb this hill. because it's been a week that I didn't upload video. This is the leftover chicken from the picnic that we did with John and Charlene and Inigo. I'm just going to make it very toasted, and I will add some shrimp paste. I still have some rice. So I have this the toasted roasted chicken, coleslaw, and rice. The coleslaw is also the one left over from our picnic last time. Yo, good morning guys. It is now 9:15. Yeah, and I am preparing my meal. Last night I cooked the chicken, the toasted one, and now I put some water and I add these noodles. Yeah, rice noodles. And I'm going to add some vegetable, the frozen one, and adjust the taste. And I am also cooking the rice. I had my coffee already. I got some mess to clean. Yeah, and at the moment I am editing video. And this is how it is now. This looks like a sotanghon. I just needed to adjust the seasonings for salt, pepper. Delicious. And I just washed this egg, and I'm going to put it in this rice cooker.
I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see.
And this is our breakfast brunch actually. It's already 9:35. Yo, it is now 3:40 something. Yeah, and I'm preparing my meal. This is going to be lunch snacks. I will be just having an egg, 2 pieces of egg. I have the rice here, and I'm also going to eat this now. This is a frozen maling or luncheon meat. I'm actually on my 4 days off. Yeah, 2 days off and 2 of them are leave day. And actually I was planning to go on bikepacking because it's a 4 days. Yeah, Chef Bamat asked me yesterday, where are you going? I said I want to go on bikepacking, going to Barrington Tops. Barrington Tops is reachable. It's one of the highest part here in New South Wales. It is inland, and during winter they gotten snow. But you know, I have so many pending videos that is needed to be edited, and that's why that is what I am doing now. I am editing the videos. I don't know if I will be able to go on bikepacking.
It's clear to see.
Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it's already 10 minutes to 10 o'clock. I am editing the video. I wake up today at around already 6 o'clock. Yeah, actually 5 something. Today is actually the second day of my day off. I have 4 days off. And I am now preparing my meal. I am reheating this rice. Actually it looks very less. And this is the last rice I have. I finished yesterday the rice. It's alright, I'm going to the grocery later.
Small, we can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
Look at that, after the rain, now it is like this. Yes, the sun is out, but it still looks like it is going to rain. Yeah, anyway, we're going to have this dessert. This is the biku coming from Ate Imelda. This is frozen and I'm going to put it in the microwave.
Forever free.
is now 5:29. Yeah, there was a rain and then it is stopped, and then rain and then it stopped, and this is how it is now. Yeah, no rain at the moment, and I'm actually hungry. I'm cravings for something that is close to Filipino taste, like noodles, pancit, eh, yeah, something like that. And yeah, I don't have much in here. I actually don't have rice, but I'm going to put some water in here, and later on I'm going to make it a porridge. Yeah, it is possible it will expand and will become more. I just need to wash this first. Yeah, this is coffee in the morning, another coffee this afternoon, and I also had this. This is hot water with ginger. Because when John and Charlene come here last week, they are drinking that ginger and water, and it's good. So I am drinking also. I'm just going to wash this and then we go out.